In this video, I'm going to show you how to track Santa on Google Santa Tracker. So the first thing you want to do, you want to go to Google and type in Google Santa Tracker. Now over here, the first result should be Google Santa Tracker. So just click on it over here and it's going to load up the website where you can basically track Santa. Now mind you, this isn't always available, of course. Now Google operates the actual Santa Tracker on December 24th and December 25th. So just make sure that, of course, whenever you're viewing this, it is actually December 24th or 25th, so around Christmas. Now, if it's not, you'll be able to kind of see the countdown over here, but if it is, like in my case right now, as you can see, this is now the Google Santa Tracker. So it's going to say down here, Santa will arrive in about 7 hours. This is for my instance over here, and you can see how many gifts he's delivered. Down here, you can see what his next stop is, and over here, you'll be able to see how quick he'll be at the next stop. Now, over here, you can also see kind of local guides. You can see your live feed over here. You can kind of explore this map. You could go ahead and tap on this button up top right to actually locate Santa again, and then you could go ahead and of course tap on this to actually see a bunch of different things. There's a bunch of different cool little features they have here, such as Santa Selfie, Snowball Storm. They have a bunch of different games and fun activities up here, and if you scroll down a bit in here, you'll be able to play different games and stuff like that. So that's pretty much how you use the Google Santa Tracker. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.